Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to solve the problem of WhatsApp backups stuck. So to solve that, head over to your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots icon on the top right. Now go to settings and in here go to privacy. Scroll down and here go to storage and data. And here you may find the manage storage option. Here, check your storage and clear for unnecessary files. And once you are done with it, you can just connect to your Wi-Fi. And after that, you can just restart your backup by going to the chats. Go to chat backup and here tap on backup and it will just start or restart your backup again. So yeah, this is how you can solve the issue of WhatsApp backup stuck. Hope this video will help you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.